The Mohawk Warrior Special Edition of Fire from Walmart. The Fire and Ice editions of Spin Master Monster Jam series. I had to pick up Mohawk Warrior after seeing that they did make a real body of the Monster Jam truck of the Mohawk Warrior. I like getting die-cast monster trucks that are based on real trucks. So on the back of the box, collect them all. On the fire side we have a Pirate's Curse, Son of a Digger, and Mohawk Warrior. On the ice side we have Grave Digger and Earth Shaker. I did see the Ice Grave Digger at a Walmart also, but I didn't pick him up either like 2 weeks ago or something like that, because I didn't know if that was going to be a legit body that they were going to do, so that they did, so I'll have to pick that up. Hopefully it's still on the pegs at Walmart. But let's go ahead and unbox the Mohawk Warrior and take a closer look. We don't get any post or anything with the Fire and Ice, and we also don't get a figure either. Would be kind of cool to have something, maybe a picture of the a truck. But here it is, looking really awesome. Great clips, Mohawk Warrior, excellent. Really like it. There's the Monster Jam Fire emblem. A lot of detail going on the body, and the Mohawk Warrior guy kind of yelling. I'm guessing in the front we have the red grill on top. Great clips, some detail. Inside you can see the driver a little bit there inside. Onto the other side of the Fire Mohawk Warrior. Really neat. And then it has the yellow chassis, and then the red wheels, and then the orange tires, and then the yellow treads. There's what's on the tailgate. Great clips, Mohawk Warrior. And now also, that's pretty cool too, that they made the Mohawk yellow, and then going into kind of a fire with the Mohawk colors, which is really nice. It's a great looking truck, the Fire edition of the Great Clips Mohawk Warrior. So this ends this little unboxing. Hopefully you enjoyed this.